Have you ever wondered how your computer knows where one message ends and the next one begins? Because trust me, computers are very fast, but they are also very dumb. If you don't explain things properly, they just stare at bytes like, "Bro, what is this?" In this video, we'll send a tiny message from one Python program to another using a real networking trick used everywhere. This trick is called pack and unpack. And once you see it, you'll never use RIC-1024 blindly again. Here's the big idea. We send two things. First, a header that tells the size. Second, the actual message. Just like mailing a box. Label first, stuff inside later. Let's start with the receiver of the server. We import socket for networking and struct so we can translate numbers into bytes and bytes back into numbers. Here, we create a socket. Think of this as opening a phone, but for computers. No camera, no microphone. Just bytes talking very politely. We bind to localhost, that's this computer talking to itself. And now we listen. Patiently. Like a waiter waiting for an order. This line blocks a meaning it waits. The program does nothing until a sender connects. Like waiting for a WhatsApp message from one's crush. This is the most important line. We receive exactly 8 bytes. Why 8? Because we are using Qt, which means unsigned long, and that is always 8 bytes. Now we unpack the header. Those 8 mysterious bytes turn back into a number. That number tells us, hey, the message is this many bytes long. Now and only now do we receive the actual message. We don't guess. We don't wish. We read exactly what we need. No extra bytes. No missing bytes. Just peace. Finally, we print everything. The raw header bytes. The decoded size. And the message itself. Now let's look at the sender. Our message is simple. Just 5 letters. No emojis. Computers are emotionally unavailable. Here we pack the message length. The number 5 becomes 8 bytes. This is what makes the protocol work. We build the packet. Header first. Message second. Order matters. Just like socks before shoes. And we send everything in one go. TCP doesn't care about messages. It only sends bytes. The meaning comes from our design. This is why we pack and unpack. Without it, the receiver has no idea where the message ends. With it, you're building real protocols, like real software engineers. Congratulations! You just leveled up your networking brain.